Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and I'm here today to talk about our cutting-edge Superhuman Protocol. There are 3 very specific steps in the Superhuman Protocol. First step is PEMF technology. Second step is exercise with oxygen. And then the third step is the Theralite 360. So we're here to talk about the Theralite 360 today, but basically where you're at is your first step. We use the PEMF technology and we basically unclump the red blood cells to alkalize and improve circulation. And then the second step is we load the body with very concentrated oxygen, 94% oxygen, to get the oxygen attachment on the red blood cells, improve the immune system. And then we bring you into Theralite 360, which has 45,000 LEDs so that we can surround the whole body and hit every cell with a very powerful form of red light. Basics in the protocol is we want the red light to actually come in and penetrate the cell. And when that happens, it kicks out free radicals that are actually competing for your oxygen docking sites. And so we kick the free radicals out. The oxygen that we just loaded in your body comes rushing into the cell, and we increase the cellular energy and metabolism, which reduces rapidly inflammation, creates faster cellular metabolism, and then it opens up the circulation in your body so that we can get oxygen to all these different cells in the body. To become a patient at our office at Snow Holistic Health, please call us 337-478-1313.